Hey, what's up? Thanks for watching the video. Go ahead and apologize ahead of time, as this video is kind of just me taking off a bunch of stuff, fixing the middle cross member, fixing the rear of the truck, just taking off some stuff on the frame, getting it ready for powder coat. So there'll be two videos of me just taking stuff off, and this will be the last two videos of me removing. From now on, after those two videos, it'll be all me assembling. Thanks for watching.
Alright, so really starting off on the center cross member, just trying to make sure it fits and where it goes right now. I end up taking it back off but putting it back on multiple times. I decided to send it to powder coat, let them powder coat all of it together, and at this point I was gonna leave it off and put it on later, but I decided not to do that later on. I'll tell y'all, this parking brake part that I'm trying to take off right here was a pain. I actually regret cutting it because I need to buy it and reinstall it later on, but really kind of got on my nerves. I needed to take it off for powder coating. It was all frayed and messed up, so I mean, you know, I needed to replace it anyway, but it really kind of whooped my butt a little bit.
I'm gonna cut these off, so I'm not gonna get out the grinder today. Cut this off. Somebody welded this cross member on. I'm gonna just grind a little bit where I see they welded. That'll come off. These mounts will come off. And then I gotta take these shock mounts off. Just because I don't want to get them powder coated. I'm gonna cut that off once I find my bolt cutters. I'm gonna take this cross member right here, I gotta take that off. So that guy right there, I gotta take that back off. And then I gotta get these C-notches ready to go. Once I get this cut off, I'll get the C-notches templated up, get them cut out. Not put in though, so I'm just gonna leave them. And then this will be ready to go. That's it. Send this off the powder coat. Oh, I gotta bend this. I gotta bend this guy. I'm gonna get my dad to come help me with some heat. Let's see here. Oh, if I start banging on it, it's gonna be worse, but let's see. Yeah, it's not put some heat on it, bang on it. And the bottom has to come up, twist out. And this guy's going in. Bolsters too big. Why don't they send you big bolster too big though? I don't understand that. It's so stupid. These don't even fit in the holes. Look. Y'all kidding me? So I gotta get these holes. Actually, you know what? This actually fits. I was looking at the wrong hole, though. This actually fits now. Not really. It fits in the top two. It fits in all three of these. I'll highlight the holes a little bit. And then it'll fit in the top two of these, but the bottom one it won't fit. But what I can do is I can get somebody over here to help me and put these top two in, right? Get them bolted in, and then I can bend that, and that bottom one will hold. And that'll actually be good to go. And I can send this off the powder coat. The other thing with research is where the tank's gonna go in there. Y'all probably already know this, and I'll know this pretty soon, but I know I can't take that bar out, but does this bar move or something? The tank goes back here, I know, so just gotta figure that out. But anyway, I'll get back at you. Look at it, y'all. Look at that thing. We got the C-notches in right there. We got the cross member done. We got that twist out. We got that front cross member out over there. Across the front. We're ready to go. So powder coat tomorrow. One thing. Only thing left. You see those, ooh, let's see here. See the, where you at? Yeah, there's some mounts for the front. Right there. I gotta cut them off. I'm gonna do that off camera. Next time you guys will see this thing, it'll be at after powder coat.